My roommate comes running in and goes, whoa, whoa, what? Oh, dude! Oh, my God, it's in my mouth! It's in my mouth! He's like, no, it's cool. It's, it's just focus. And they use it to make medicine. I'm like, ah! So I tried not to juice into the sink at that point. And from the container, there are 5 more pudding stacks. So we paused the movie, and for the rest of the night, it was like, dude, you check out the next one. No way, man. That one's yours. So everything we did was, carefully and at an arm's length opening these pudding stacks, which are sealed for your protection, right? Sealed for your protection. Bull. I got a yard in mine. I had grass growing from my pudding stacks. But the rest of them were fine. But check your pudding snacks before you eat them, or you will be devouring penicillin, and not in the way that you want to. That's the pudding snack. Yeah, put the top down right here. Yeah, Vic did get was it Vic or Laura? Got hair. Yeah, somebody took a piece of notebook paper and folded up some hair and gave it to him.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I know that's definitely coming back home with me. Because I want to explain that insecurity. Sir, why do you have hair in notebook paper? I'm just that kind of guy. Strangest thing I've ever been given. I don't know. I know the strangest thing I've ever had to sign, which was a bright and shiny new saxophone, right? Really nice looking, really polished. I'm like, wow, you really want me to sign your saxophone? He's like, yeah. Are you sure? Yeah, it's not mine. Well, whose is it? My school's. Sweet. What's that? That wasn't a gift. That was a molesting. Like the first con I ever went to in 2004 or 5 was Anime Detour in Minneapolis. And in the green room one night with Kyle Abear, I descended upon a game of Magic the Gathering, which I know nothing about. So I was standing over the shoulders of these guys who were clearly intimidated by the large creature who had just entered and started observing their game. I was like, wow, your Spear of Alizar. Throw that down. So we sit down and I'm watching the game, and all of a sudden out of the corner of my eye, over here, come these pair of jean-clad legs, kind of out of my periph. And, we had a little bit to drink with dinner. So my reaction time was a little slow. It was kind of one of those and this girl just jumps up, lands on my lap, grabs my face, and starts kissing me. No, but it was like, she was like, bye now. So she licked my nose. And then, yeah, very strange. So I bench pressed her on the table. And at Detour they have 3 colored badges, blue for staff and guests, orange for, 18 and up, and everybody else got yellow. Oh, yellow badge. How old are you? Like 16. I'm going to get arrested now. See you later. See you Monday when I'm out of jail. Ninja. Get yellow shirt. You can jump from where you are onto my lap, then yes. But if you can, let me know first. I want to make sure I get video of that. That would be awesome. You can start your own mutant academy. I will follow you anywhere. Like, check this stick out. Hey, do the jumping thing. What happened when I first met Vic? I think I shook his hand.
Oh, the logical thing.
And he said, "Hi, I'm Travis." And you'll never believe what he said. "Hi, I'm Vic." I know that's not the crazy answer you wanted, but it's true. Lie to you. Right, so when I first met Vic, the thunder clouds were rolling in. And just then the T-Rex came to the tree and I slayed it with my fist. This is gonna be you, brother! He grows in his blonde hair.